nieces and nephews, welcome back to Auntie Nell's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making Auntie's version of my Italian burgers and my Italian French fries. Okay, so it's nothing fancy. Like I said, sometimes I play around in the kitchen with different herbs and spices and make this throw stuff together, and then it comes out really good, and they just fall in love with it. But these are, I taught with my hands too. Okay. So let's get some housekeeping out the way. Thank you, everyone, and to my new nieces and nephews, welcome to the family. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, we're going to do a flip and swip, and I'm going to show you everything you need so you can make Auntie's Italian burgers and Italian French fries at home for your family and your friends. Or like Auntie say, keep it to yourself. Okay, hold on, guys. Show you the toppings. We got some red onions. Yes, some red onions. Romaine lettuce and some Roma tomatoes, and I'm going to put those over here. I have 2 pounds of ground beef. Get the leanest ground beef you can, and one pound of Italian sausage. I have sweet Italian, and I have let this. What I have added, I have added 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of thyme. And now I let those dried herbs sit in here as I mixed it all in the meat. And this is set in the refrigerator overnight. Now I will add the other things, my garlic powder, and I will add my onion powder, and I'm going to add a little Worcestershire sauce. And, you know, we're going to get started, okay? Family reunion meeting. I have my garlic powder, onion powder in here. And I'm going to add some Worcestershire sauce. And guys, now when you come to Worcestershire sauce, like I said, I'm going to add probably about a 1/4 cup. Okay, that's about a 1/3 cup. Woohoo, woohoo. And I'm going to get all this all blended in. Get my spices all blended in. No, I am not adding breadcrumbs. I am not making meatballs. I'm not making meatloaf. I am making burgers. Okay, and if you want to add a little smoke in here, you can. But again, these are Italian burgers. And these are, and you know what I'm just going to call them what they are. They're going to be Italian smash burgers. Because this right here, my husband had ordered this for me because he had asked me one day what was a smash burger. And when I told him, and he asked me what did I need to make them because he wanted me to make them some. So, I have this, and it's in a pan. And unfortunately, they were delivered by Amazon the morning he passed away. So I am using them for the first time. You know, so you know, I'm using them today. Yes. Yes. So I'm going to take my burgers. I do like my burgers to make them a little thick. You can make them thin, thick, however you want to make them. You know, it's up to you. So I'm going to take them. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to pat it out some. I like a little more meat. And I'm going to put it on this wax paper. Let me show you. I have a pan with some wax paper on it, and it's trying to escape to Alcatraz. Right here. And I'm going to make me another one. I guess you guys want, well, what you're going to eat? What I normally eat. Soup. I love soup. I eat a lot of soup. Gonna put this one right here. Get me a piece of parchment paper. Cover it. La. So I can put more burger on top. And you can tell if your burgers are even. Got going by the palm of your hand. Go by the palm of your hand. You can't have none. Put that right there. Look like this is going to give me 5 nice smash burgers. And now, like I said, I don't care what kind of burger I make. I've always made them thick because they are not they. Kaylin is a carnivore like her daddy. And I'm gonna have one teeny weeny one over here. Parchment paper to cover it. Now you probably say she didn't use a binder. You don't have to use a binder. Not in these burgers, because they've been with all these delicious herbs and spices like KFC. And gonna take this little baby here and make it teeny weeny teeny itty bitty. Look at itty bitty with this one. Okay, I'm gonna take this over here for some housekeeping and get this pan hot so we can get to smashing and dashing and crashing and all this other good stuff. Okay, be right back. Okay, I got my pan oiled. I'm just waiting. I'm gonna heat it up and get that fire ready. Okay, my pan is nice and hot. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my burger down. And I'm going to take my pan, my presser, and I'm going to press it down, and I'm going to leave it just like that. I'm going to just leave it just like that. Now I'll be back. Family, I flipped it, and the way I'll show you how I flip them. And I'm putting this back on here. I'm not concerned about little Bo Peep over here. This is my little cheat sheet that I look at when I test the temperature of this burger in here, and I want to see the temperature. That's not done. It's, nope, not ready. It's not even medium rare yet. Nope, some parts getting toward medium rare. I don't like, it's just my personal preference. I'm not a person that likes medium rare. I don't eat beef. But I'm saying, when I did eat beef, I always like my I like my beef well done, not burnt, well done. There's a difference, people. Smash. I go through a lot of gloves. It's okay. Little housekeeping over there. Little housekeeping. And see how I stack them up? They're all on parchment paper. And I guess I better flip little Bo Peep. Oh, little Bo Peep burnt. That's all right. Dusty will eat it. You don't care. Won't you, Dusty? Where is he? Oh. Dusty's so well trained. He knows to stay right there and there for you. But I don't hear him. Because I don't hear him clink, 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 clink. I don't hear none of that going on with old Dusty. Be back.